Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so settings match instructions. Once done, open Settings, then Sounds and Haptics because this is where volume controls and alerts live. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Silent Mode are off. These mute notifications. Next, adjust the ringer and alert slider up while playing a test tone. If you have a case, remove it to avoid muffling. This establishes a baseline loudness and rules out simple blockers. Now, boost the ringer and alert slider to the maximum and test several tones to find the loudest setting. Some tones cut through background noise better. Enable Change with buttons so the side volume keys alter alert volume directly. Press and hold to confirm. Go to Accessibility Audio/Visual to disable phone noise cancellation and set mono audio only if a channel is weak. Also, check Music EQ in Settings Music. Switching EQ to off can finish by selecting a naturally loud alert tone. Uplifted tones and high-frequency blips cut through noise, or create a custom short WAV/CAF ringtone normalized to a higher amplitude, then sync it. Once set, test notifications with and without Bluetooth speakers to isolate the phone speaker. If levels still seem low, restart the iPhone, install any pending iOS updates, and as a last resort use, reset all settings to clear misconfigurations. If audio hardware fails, seek Apple service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.